Okay, here's another take of it. It rings awfully early, and this one chimes in the cab. And there's our favorite friend, the security camera.
Not exactly the most angle to catch faces.
Yeah, it's got 2 doors. And some weird noises. Rather fast for an in-ground hydro. Although it could be something else. It might not be in-ground, I'm just assuming that it is. And take it up to 1. There's a little reverb on the chime. There it goes. And 1 will open on the other side. Garage levels open on that side. And mall levels open on that side. And it doesn't chime. And that was the escalator in the background. Yeah. The lantern doesn't light up like it should. Although it does chime. There's the exterior floor indicator. And that's it.